Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make egg tofu fried rice. Very easy recipe, and if you have some tofu and some leftover rice, this is a great recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get started with this recipe. Here in a big wok, I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil, and here I have 3 large eggs and with some salt. If you want to add some pepper, you can definitely do that. Whisk it gently and go ahead and add it in the wok and let it cook on medium high heat. Here I have 1 cup silken tofu. Drain the water completely, and now go ahead and cook the egg halfway through. You don't want to completely cook them all the way through. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the tofu. Make sure that there is no water at all, and also make sure you cut them in nice cube pieces and cook for 30 seconds. And don't break the tofu when you're cooking them, just be gentle. Here I have 2 large carrots that's grated, and I'm going to add that and just gently cook it for a minute. You don't want to overcook, you want that nice crunchiness in the carrot as well. Go ahead and transfer the tofu in a plate, and then the same wok we're going to continue to cook the rice. Same wok, I'm going to add another teaspoon of oil, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped or even crushed. Saute for at least a couple seconds until the raw aroma leaves. Here I have 1 cup rice, leftover rice, or if you're having a freshly made rice, make sure it's nice and cold. Refrigerate before you start cooking them. Go ahead and mix the rice. Here I have 1.5 tablespoon sweet chili sauce. Now you can buy this from any supermarket. Go ahead and mix them well. And once you have this nicely coated with the rice and the rice is nicely heated up, at this point I'm going to go ahead and add tofu and eggs. And now if you want to add some pepper, white pepper, go ahead and add for some kick, and add salt if you want it, and go ahead and mix them well. You don't need any other ingredients for this. Go ahead and add some green onions and just toss it, and go ahead and serve this hot, and it's done. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.